Welcome to another Tuesday floor plan review. This is the Maven Prairie Manor Ranch. 3-car garage, almost 4,000 square feet across the main floor and the basement. And somebody's going to tour this house on a Saturday, write an offer by Sunday night, and they'll be mostly right to do so. But nobody buys a house for Saturday. You live in it on a Tuesday. So that's how I'm going to read this plan, and just like I do every week. And I'll tell you now, the first 3 minutes with this plan, I wanted to love it. The one decision, every plan has that one decision that everything else hangs on. And on this one, it's the entry. You come in from the 3-car garage into a real mudroom, not a hallway pretending to be a mudroom, an actual room. And the laundry sits right there in the same zone. Why does that matter so much to me? Because that's where your whole family will enter the house every day for as long as you own it. Front doors over here are for guests. The real front door in this plan built on it with purpose coming from the garage. The reality check. So let's make it real. It's a Tuesday in November. Practice has just let out. It's dark at 5:30, those gloomy winter days. It's cold. 3 kids come through that garage door all at once. Muddy cleats, bags, somebody's water bottle still in the car. It's always in the car. Follow my finger here. Garage, mudroom, drop it, you're done. That chaos has a room to land in before it reaches the kitchen. Most plans make the kitchen absorb it. This one doesn't. This is the whole ball game for a family. So let's look at the scoring walk. The garage. It's a 3-car garage in Nebraska. That's not a luxury. That's 2 vehicles that never scrape ice, plus a wall of bikes, mowers, and whatever else the garage sale pile is becoming. The primary's got a 10-foot tray and a 0 entry shower. The tray is what shows in photos, and the 0 entry is what matters in 20 years. One of those is a decoration and one's a decision. The office, dedicated office, sits up front off the entry, away from the great room. Whoever drew this has taken a work call while a kid has practiced piano 20 feet away. But here's my one nitpick, and it's not a nitpick, it's definitely not a deal breaker, but the primary closet right here connects to the bathroom. It does not tie into the laundry. This plan clearly thought about flow everywhere else. Close that loop with one more door right here, closet to laundry, and your master clothes never leave a small circle. It's one wall away from perfect. So close that you can see it. So Dad gets his 3-car garage, real mudroom to catch the miss. No argument. For Mom, the laundry right off that main entry zone. It's not buried down a hall. The only miss is this closet right here. Everything else about that workflow is dialed. For kids, the mudroom means backpacks have a home before they hit the kitchen island. That's the whole fight solved on paper. Bedrooms downstairs are 3 bedrooms plus a wet bar. This is a ranch with a kid's room in the finished basement. Tuesday score, garage, incredibly strong. Daily flow, incredibly strong. The mudroom entry carries the house. Storage, good bones, real mudroom, family function. It's strong. It's one near miss on that closet. My Tuesday verdict, this is a Tuesday ready home. This plan nailed the part. Most builders sometimes often phone in. The way a family actually comes home, it is one closet door away from a nearly perfect score. I'll take that trade every Tuesday. And every house has a trade-off. This one got most of them right.